तो मेरी प्यारे दोस्तों, टुडे आई विल डिस्कस द वेरी इजी टॉपिक फॉर योर engineering mechanics. Mass in engineering mechanics. Mass is a fundamental property of matter represented the amount of substance in a object. जो हमारे ऑब्जेक्ट रहती है तो मास हमारा एक फंडामेंटल प्रॉपर्टी है एंड जो कि रेस्पेक्टेड टू द अमाउंट ऑफ सब्सटेंस ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट्स लाइक इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिक्स मास क्वालिफाई एज एन ऑब्जेक्ट्स रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द एक्सेलरेशंस अंडर applied force, and it is also distinguished from weight, the whose airs the gravitational pull where mass remains constant and regardless of a location. तो हमारे जैसे कि अभी आप देख सकते हो हमारा जो एक मॉडल है, एक है मास और एक है वेट. मास में क्या होती है, रिप्रेजेंट सब्सटेंस अमाउंट टू रेजिस्टेंस द एक्सीलरेशंस, बट वेट में enhance the form of gravitational pull and varies up the by location. That is the mass in engineering mechanics. Then next is your types of mass. Mass is also like two types. It is a internal mass and then is a gravitational mass. Internal mass is used for dynamic analysis. You are used for dynamic analysis is your internal mass, and gravitational mass is used for load calculation. This is a simple way. One is your internal mass is your like analysis for dynamic, and gravitational mass is to calculate the load. And then I'll be discuss measurement of mass. How to measurement the mass. To choose the appearance to mass measurement techniques for the specific applications like traditional methods and modern technology. Traditional method is height presentations for laboratory use. You just like a traditional method, but now in this time modern technologies like direct and virtualizations of the variations applications just like weighing machines, that is measurement mass. So now we'll be discuss the role of mass in dynamic. What are the roles of mass in aerodynamics? Accelerations, momentum, like kinetic energy, and then natural frequency and engineering application. So first is your acceleration. Like acceleration is inversely proportional to mass, but momentum is to determine the involves in cohesions. Kinetic energy is like relates the mass to energy storage, and then engineering application is like optimize dynamic performance. So now we'll be discuss mass in statistics. Mass in statistics in the sense how to manage mass induced load in structure design. First, distribute mass, then lumped mass. Distribute mass is represent continuously weighing across the structure, and then lump mass is your concentric weight at specific point. In a statics, जो हमारा static है, मास कंट्रीब्यूट किया जाता है टू वेट ऑफ द फोर्सेस एक्टिंग इन अ स्ट्रक्चर. जब हम एक स्ट्रक्चर को वेट करते हैं किसके थ्रू, एक्टिंग टू द फोर्स के थ्रू, तो वेट इक्वल टू m इंटू जी. देन इट इज ट्रीटेड टू द लोड व्हेन एनालाइज बीम ट्रस्ट एंड फ्रेम. तो हम जो वेट को हम कैसे ट्रीट करते हैं, लाइक एनालाइजिंग द बीम ट्रस्ट एंड फ्रेम्स. Engineers calculate the reactions and internal forces by replacing distribute or lumped mass with equivalent weight. तो हमारा जो रिएक्शन होती है वो हमारा फोर्स के ज़रिए रिप्लेस किया जाता है डिस्ट्रीब्यूट टू लैम्प्स मास विद इक्विवेलेंट वेट के थ्रू. And then this process ensure the structural element supports and dead loads and assesses safety factors. Mass induced load influence design decisions and material selection and cross-sectional dimensions. Mastery of mass related loading conditions is essential for a predicting deflections, stresses, and potential failures model under the static equilibrium. Ensure the structural integrated and comprehension with the engineering safety standard. ये जो हमारा mass, just you have to measure weight forces acting on a structure. हमारा मास का जो वेट का फॉर्मूला क्या है, m इंटू जी. इट इज़ ऑल्सो ट्रीटेड टू हाउ टू एनालाइज जो हम करते हैं बीम, ट्रस एंड फ्रेम के ज़रिए. सो होप सो आर टू बी अंडरस्टैंड. थैंक यू सो मच. Take a rest to all of and happy journey for in your bright future. Thank you so much.